Each year, hurricane season brings challenges for those living in affected areas, but this year has been especially rough, breaking storm records. Helene left a massive trail of destruction behind, and now Milton has pummeled coastlines as well as inland areas. The devastation is widespread, and it will take years to rebuild damaged homes and restore lives. As a community of artists, we know all too well that creativity can be a beacon of hope that shines through darkness. We have chosen to come together to raise money for people who have been impacted by these catastrophic events. We've created videos for you to enjoy and art for you to bid on. Proceeds will be going to the Direct Relief Organisation, who is leading the recovery efforts with a focus on medical supplies. Each artist has selflessly created a piece of their art for the auction. Fluid Art Co has stepped up to do something very special that they've never done before. They've offered to sponsor the collaboration with a limited release pigment that they've named Benevolence. The word benevolence represents generosity, volunteerism, and kindness of community. $5 of every jar sold will go towards the fund. This pigment will not be moved into their standard range of colours offered. It's strictly being released to raise money for this cause, and then it will be retired. Please join in and help us make a difference for this important movement by contributing in whatever way you can. Watch our channels, spread the word for us, buy benevolence, bid on our art. As Alexander Mars said, money is never a goal, but rather a means to do greater good. From all of us around the globe, we thank you for taking this on with us.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Christina of Christina Welch Artistry. Today I'm creating on a 20-inch round convexo canvas. I'm praying to the drawing gods that we don't have any issues with it and it will be in the auction, but if not, I'll definitely send a beautiful piece for that. I'm using some TLP pigments and Tri-Art Prussian blue. So I have the ore here. It's one of my favorite golds that this little piggy has. And I'm also using velvet, which is one of my favorite interference colors. And I'm going to try this on top of the benevolence to see how it works. And of course, there's our beautiful new color. It's a limited edition. Fluid Art Co. has already sold 1,100 jars plus. By the time this airs, it may be even more. The Prussian blue, and I did add some violet rain in here as well to give me a little bit of purple contrast. So I'm going to get my paint down. There it is. I'm just going to be doing a few small blooms, little blowouts, and I have a nice heavy puddle here, so when I spin I can stretch it out to make these flowers much bigger. Please bear with me. I have not painted in a very, very long time. My health is not the greatest. As you know, I've been making cards, but I definitely wanted to be part of this event, and I did my best. So enjoy the video. I'm going to put a little music in here, and I'll be back with wet results. And here's the wet results. That benevolence is so prominent. It's absolutely stunning. It is the most beautiful color ever. But look at the peacock cells. It's just so pretty. I'm kind of wishing I would have done 5 flowers, but you know, the simplicity of this is so pretty. In real life, it's hard to tell on camera, but it is very pretty. And I'm really hoping it dries exactly this way. But thank you so much for Nate Bright for getting this together with Billy from Fluid Art Co. I really appreciate being asked. This is definitely a fundraiser that's very close to home, and I was very happy to participate. But I'll see you guys at the auction November 3rd, 1 p.m. on Nate Bright's channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.